When Kunstkraftwerk invited me to create an immersive exhibition about the origins of life, I knew this would be a defining moment. It felt like the culmination of my artistic journey, which began from a lifelong fascination with the underlying mechanisms of reality. Over the years, this curiosity evolved into a practice of transforming complex scientific narratives into evocative works of art, exploring subjects like quantum physics, abiogenesis, and molecular biology. Origins was an opportunity to unite all these threads together, blending science and art into a singular, sweeping narrative that captures the profound story of life itself. Origins tells 25 distinct scientific stories in just under 30 minutes, beginning with the Big Bang and tracing the journey from the formation of matter and stars to the emergence of organic molecules and complex life. These stories, often abstract or inaccessible, are brought to life through an imaginative interpretation designed to engage audiences emotionally and spark curiosity. By reimagining scientific visualizations in an intuitive and artistic way, Origins reveals the intricate connections that underpin our existence, fostering a visceral, immediate connection with the audience and inviting them to reflect on the profound narratives that shape our universe. This exhibition uses three distinct mediums to tell its story. Analog techniques, such as chemical reactions and light manipulation, capture the chaotic beauty of the universe's early moments. AI generative models illustrate the trial and error nature of evolution, mirroring how life experimented with countless combinations before finding the right ones. Finally, 3D graphics highlight the architectural and mathematical nature of complex organisms. These methods simulate the generative forces of nature itself, with each medium chosen to reflect different aspects of creation and transformation. Collaboration was central to this project, with incredible artists worldwide contributing their unique perspectives. Vanz's analog visuals captured the chaos of the early universe, while Susi Sie's work on light and form illustrated the formation of matter. Davy Evans' intricate textures and colors captured the vibrancy of organic molecules, and Teun Van Der Zalm's nebula simulations created an immersive journey through stellar nurseries. Salfity and Gokan Tekin used their distinctive 3D aesthetics, reimagining cells and organisms in vivid detail. Composer Jesse Solomon Clark crafted a dynamic soundscape that amplified the emotional resonance of the visuals, immersing viewers into the unfolding story. Coordinating these collaborators ensured the project flowed as a seamless immersive story, with each artist's voice enriching the final experience. The architecture of Kunstkraftwerk itself played a vital role in shaping the exhibit. Its industrial layout became a part of the narrative by being transformed into a space reminiscent of a church, with a central circular element and intricate sidewalls. This design mirrors the spiritual resonance of origin stories, blending ancient wonder with modern understanding. These narratives, once rooted in mysticism, are now illuminated through the lens of science, with the industrial aesthetic creating a striking contrast that symbolizes the interplay between nature, technology, and human ingenuity. Balancing scientific accuracy with artistic imagination was a key challenge. The goal wasn't to create a scientific documentary, but a work of art that would resonate with our audiences on an intuitive level. This approach enables viewers to engage with the intricacies of the origin story and form personal connections. The visuals are grounded in scientific principles, but they are transformed into surreal presentations that evoke wonder and curiosity. Through the vision of origins, science and art are deeply interconnected, both driven by a shared desire to explore, understand, and reinterpret the world. What makes Origins unique is its ability to tell complex scientific stories in a way that feels both expansive and personal. It's not about the science, it's about how we as individuals engage with and interpret these concepts. Humans are deliberately omitted from the visuals, highlighting the fact that we are just a blip in the history of evolution, while also inviting reflection on the environmental fragility of our planet and the web of life that connects us all together. As the lights come back on and the audience looks at each other, they become part of the story, contemplating their responsibility in the Earth's future. Origins is an invitation to marvel at the universe, to contemplate the processes that have shaped us, and to appreciate the interconnectedness of life. We hope Origins leaves you inspired, curious, and filled with wonder. This is not just the story of life, it's our story, a shared journey of discovery, evolution, and creation. The journey doesn't end here, it continues through science, through art, and through those who engage with the story, just like humans have done for thousands of years. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey.